Hi guys. All right, per your request, I'm going to make a couple videos. I'll make 2, and then we'll see if you like them, if you watch them, and then we'll go from there. Okay. Some of the videos that might be posted in here might also be from Miss Ashley, Miss Price. So we'll see what you like, what you need, and what you decided to actually watch, because I don't want to make them if you're not watching them. And if you like the Khan Academy videos, great. But the overall thought was how much we hated Khan Academy, which is fine. That's your preference. So I'm going to do what I can to at least help and answer questions as you're working in your study island. All right, so I am going to put my first multiplication table in. We're going to do multiplying fraction by fraction, and if you have questions, let me know. You can email me if you want to. I don't know. I forgot this is not two-way. Okay, so our fraction we're going to do is 5/6 times 2/3. Okay, we did this in class, so this is pretty much a review. When you're multiplying a fraction times a fraction, you are going to just multiply straight across. Okay, so essentially you're saying 5 times 2 and 6 times 3. Okay, 5 times 2 is 10. 6 times 3 is 18. Okay, so 10/18 is the correct answer. There's nothing wrong with the answer, but we should simplify, which is what we talk about a lot in class, or reduce. I can take my 10/18, and I can divide the top by 2 and the bottom by 2. So whatever we divide it by, it has to be the exact same thing. Okay, whatever you do to one, you have to do to the other. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. I will make this bigger. And 18 divided by 2 is 9. So our answer is 5/9. Okay. I am also going to show you multiplying a fraction times a whole number. We went over this class as well, but obviously it's been a while. Okay. So you'll see in your study island that you'll multiply a whole number with a fraction. So if my multiplication problem was 5/6 times the whole number 2, I would want to rewrite this so I can easily see it. When you have a whole number, you put that whole number over the 1, okay? So my new problem would be 5/6 times 2/1. And that's because if I were to then divide that whole number, because this is considered an improper fraction, 1 would go into 2 whole times, that would give us our whole number back, okay? So if I multiply straight across, I would say 5 times 2 is 10, and 6 times 1 is 6. So I have created 10/6, which is an improper fraction, okay? And I would need to convert this answer, which is not incorrect, but we have to put it into a mixed number. So what we're going to do is do that next. So I'm going to just pause this for 1 second. Okay, so I just added quickly another piece of paper. And so we're going to then take this 10/6, which is a mixed number because my numerator is greater than my denominator. So we're going to take 10 Okay, we need to change that 10/6, okay, because my numerator cannot be larger than my denominator. And we're going to take my 10, my numerator, and I'm going to put the 10 inside the divising house, okay? My 6 becomes my divisor, okay? 6 can go into 10 1 whole time, okay? So we'll say 1 whole time. Sorry, I'm got a crease there, so I'm trying to be careful there. So we will multiply 6 times 1 to get my 6 and subtract. 10 minus 6 is 4. So I have 4 left over. So 6 can go into 10 1 whole time. My denominator will stay the same, okay, that doesn't change. And then what I have left over, this is my remainder, that becomes my numerator. So 10 over 6 is the same as 1 and 4/6, okay? So that is how we work on multiplying fractions to fractions and a fraction to a whole number, okay? Let me know if you have questions or something that doesn't make sense and I can go over it with you later. All right, thanks guys.